Hey, what if I told you that transforming yourself doesn't have to take months or years? It can start right now, and in just 7 days, you can see real change. It all begins with one simple decision. Commit to growth. The first thing you need is a clear goal. Ask yourself, what do I really want to achieve? Whether it's improving your health, boosting your productivity, or picking up a new skill, define it. Once you know what you want, the next step is planning. Break your goal into actionable steps. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just map out what you need to do every day to get closer to that goal. Now, let's talk about distractions. We all have them. Whether it's social media, binge watching, or just the habit of procrastination, these things get in the way. If you can identify and eliminate your biggest distractions, you'll be amazed at how much time you free up. With distractions out of the way, self-discipline comes into play. This is where the magic happens. It's about doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. And trust me, the more you push yourself, the more it becomes a habit. As you start making progress, momentum builds. Every little step forward makes the next one easier. Soon enough, you'll realize that consistency is key. Even small efforts, when done daily, can create huge results over time. Celebrate those small wins along the way because they're proof that you're on the right track. By the end of the week, you'll not only feel accomplished, but more motivated to keep going. Transformation doesn't come from some magic formula. It comes from consistent effort, focus, and the decision to make a change. So start now, take action, and watch how different you feel in just a week. Your journey to transformation begins the moment you commit to it.